Good job. Good morning, you guys. Oh my goodness. Y'all, something. Y'all, I had on this shirt like the last 3 days. It's my night shirt. Okay, I put this on at night when I'm going to bed. So I'm gonna take this off in a minute because I don't want it to get dirty. But y'all, something big is about to happen in my life. I can feel it. I don't know. Something strange is happening. Something freaking strange. So I can feel it in my spirit. Something's about to happen. But anyways, welcome to a new vlog. Let me show you guys what I got. Girl, I had to restock. Yo, I had to send Brianna's father yesterday. They will get me 2 of these, okay? But ordinary, y'all know I can't pronounce this thing I'm using on my face. Permission. Girl, there's some good shit. There's some good stuff, okay? So I had to get like 2 of these because the place that I do get it from, they never open, okay? I had to write them a message. Stop, Brianna. So I had to write them a personal message myself. This is my first time writing them a message. I was like, what is up with y'all? But I was like, y'all are very unprofessional, okay? Y'all are never open. And I told them, like, I'm not trying to be rude or nothing like that, but y'all need to do better. If y'all go on break, close early, or y'all have to do a run, at least leave like a sign on the door or something like that, or update your Facebook page to let customers know. Like, I would appreciate a sign. Okay, we're open for lunch. I went there twice in one day and they was not there. And that was freaking annoying. Now, this isn't the first, second, or third time it's happened to me. And I wrote all of that in the message. And they did apologize. What they should have done was give me something free. All of discount for always wasting my time. Like, the business is not really consistent. So whilst I have products, you have to get it now. Get 2 or 3 because they're not consistent. They never damn open up, or they may need to restock. They never have this stuff. Like, I can always go to the hair store, the grocery store, and don't never have to worry about if they're open or if they're closed. Or even if they're closed, it's rare, you know. They will leave a sign on the door. Like, these people are unprofessional. And they was like, oh, we do let our customers know, like on WhatsApp or whatever like that. All of your customer base is not on WhatsApp, you know. Y'all have other platforms. Y'all have Instagram, y'all have Facebook, y'all have other platforms that you guys are on. Believe it or not everybody's on WhatsApp. And to be honest, I'm not on WhatsApp right now. I haven't been on WhatsApp like in 2 months. Going on for 3 months, okay? So I don't feel like I have to be contacting y'all to make sure y'all open up, or if your location change and stuff like that. I had to ask them if their location would change because y'all never in the building. I didn't even like tell them like y'all have more than one platform. I was like, you know what, thank you, bye. Brianna's father already went to the store and got them. I'm just gonna probably order off the original site, the ordinary site, because they're like $6 on the ordinary site. Yeah, these like $6 on the ordinary site, and I'm paying like $16 for this. So I can order a bunch of these. I might like colic acid. Yeah. Anyways, yeah. So let me get my day started. Okay, we have to wash Brianna hair. Yeah, I have to wash Brianna hair today. I was thinking about combing these, so I don't know. Anyways, guys, so I washed and twisted up Brianna hair. So yeah, it's pretty rainy outside. I'm supposed to go walking. Ooh, child. Hopefully the rain holds up. Ooh, child. Good morning, you guys. Anyways, so it's the next day. Y'all, I couldn't get to go walking yesterday because it was raining like crazy. Okay? I'm about to make me some coffee. Somebody's coming here to deal with this refrigerator. It's been down for the last few days. I'm looking for my cup. I know you put my cup in here. So it looks like we're supposed to have like a whole rainy week. So I need to the rain finally stopped. So I'm gonna try walk early today. And I have laundry to put up. The laundry people was here. They dropped off our clothes yesterday. So let me make my coffee real quick before this man comes to fix this fridge. I don't want to be in here. These titties are hanging, girl. They're hanging. Hey you guys, coffee is made. I'm just gonna put on a little leggings. I put on a bra because Brianna's father says the man is coming. He says the man is coming. He went to the store and just want to prop up myself a little bit, you know. Don't want no don't want my titties to be hanging in. Me and this they short little pants. So yeah, let me put on something real quick. Where's my coffee? Yeah, he went to the store and I have to let the man in, so if he don't be back in time. Y'all hear that? Peace and quiet. Peace and quiet. Brianna's not here. She went next door to go see her grandmother until her father comes back. So yeah. Let me try to enjoy my little coffee time and just relax. For a little couple of minutes I do have. Yeah. Okay you guys, so we're in the car. I'm praying that this rain hold up so I can get like at least a couple steps in. Like damn, it's like 2 hours later. Okay, Brianna's father had to do a few things and he has to get a new fridge because the fridge isn't working no more. The man came there to take a look at it and he said that it don't make no sense you buying no compressor or nothing for the his compressor is gone. So he was like, it don't make no sense you buying no compressor. It should be just buying a new fridge or whatever like that. So yeah, so that's gone. Yeah, it's frying a little bit. Okay y'all, we out here walking. The ground is flooded or kind of flooded over here. So I don't know. I need to do half of the tracks because it's too flooded. Oh you guys, I had to say a prayer this morning when we was riding because it started to rain. And I was like, God please, only for an hour God, hold up this rain. Hold up your rain, please, only for an hour. Just let me get a few steps in because I couldn't walk yesterday as well because it was raining. Y'all know that. He gave me this opportunity, so I'm gonna take it, child. So let me hurry get my steps in. The rain is down. Which is flooded. Ooh. Okay guys, we're back. It's like 2:54. I need to get me something to eat. I haven't ate yet, and I haven't drank water all day. The only thing I had was coffee. That was horrible. I usually drink water, but I haven't had a cup of water all day. That's crazy to me, because I'm the queen of water. Come. Oh, it is storming outside, child. After we reach back, like, I was like 30 minutes later, it started storming. Yeah, so. So I'm glad I got my little walk in. Y'all, I'm about to take a nap. I don't take naps, but baby, I am tired. For the last 2 nights, I didn't sleep. So mama needs to take a nap. Try, at least try. Yeah, anyways guys, so it's the same day. It's later on at night. I took me a little nap, whatever that was, okay? I didn't really sleep. I don't know, like my body just don't like to fucking sleep. But anyways guys, I'm gonna see you guys in my next one. I just came on here to end the vlog. And the next vlog there will be big changes, I think. So anyways, I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.